Hello, everybody. I'm glad you're all here with me again today. Our first card is Michael, and he says there's an energy of hope in the air, which is great because we can now just breathe in a sign of relief, and you'll feel that it's good for our energy. Um, the next card is the star, and that says that our dreams and prayers are being heard, and we're not sitting around waiting anymore. We are following our own light at this time. That is because we've prayed. And the angels want us to know they're going to give you little things so that you can see your prayers have been heard, and there's a sense that anything you want to do, if it's right and aligned with you, it's right for the universe. So trust in yourself. In the past, people have been very successful, and their finances are fantastic, and the universe wants you to know they see you, and that's very good news, and you will even get more good news as you move forward. At the moment, we need to trust our higher selves and be in our own peace. In the near future, the angels want us to know we need to do things that we love. This will help you with a positive mindset going forward. We are feeling emotionally abundant because it's nice, the hope and the things that are happening around us. Um, and you need to take pride in the little things that you do. Archangel Michael is with us again, and he says, even though we're starting new things in life, we're starting new lives, and we must know that the angels are with us, He is with us, and we are going to be stable. We're moving away from things that we've been carrying along with us for so long, and we're finding peace and more calm in our lives. Stand up for yourself and do what you believe in. We moved out of our comfort zones, and we are embracing the newfound relationships with people that share the same vision as us. So that's wonderful. That does help a lot, I must say. Thank you.